Hey guys, this is Teddy from NorthFire. Today we are cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making Philly cheesesteak.
Along with your favorite sub bun, you'll need steak, onion, red and green peppers, sliced provolone cheese, and olive oil. Add a few cubes of butter to the food tray and melt for approximately 30 seconds. Add sliced onions and bell peppers. Cooking for about a minute. Give your vegetables a toss. And cook for an additional minute and a half. Add your thinly sliced steak to the vegetable mix and evenly distribute the meat. Cook for 1 minute. Season with salt and pepper and give it a toss. And continue cooking for another minute. Add the meat and vegetable mix to your bun. Then top with your provolone cheese slices. Slide your open-faced sandwich into the fourth rack of the Inferno and cook for about 30 seconds, or until the cheese is melted. It's as easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.